YouTube ad revenue, what everyone goes mad on. How much YouTube ad revenue did I make last month in August 2021? Drum roll. And guess below in the comments what next month's revenue is going to be. I used to do these kind of videos on my vlog channel. Well, now it's turned into a vlog channel, but these videos where you can see a whole playlist up here. So now I've set up this whole channel, Scott Hewish YouTube, to follow my creator journey and just find out interesting stuff like this if you find it interesting. Okay, so to start with, main channel is a cycling parody sitcom / vlog. I've got 1,500 subscribers, just over 1,500 subscribers now. We've been going for over a year. It hasn't grown as fast as I was expecting it to grow, considering the first sort of 6 to 8 months of growth, but things change. We did have the wind taken out of ourselves. I had a blood clot in February of this year, so that sort of gave us a big dent in views, and we haven't really built up the momentum back from where we were with that, so maybe don't take a break from YouTube. Got many other channels, this being one now. I've also got a shorts channel. It got nearly 8 million views just last month, so we'll fill you in on that later as well. Let's start off with Wiggle. Wiggle is an online sports website shop, e-commerce shop. They own a lot of brands as well. They own brands like DHB, who make these shoes. These shoes have been sent to me. Reading up on the rules of freebies and stuff like that, because the whole video I made on Sunday, which was this video, was all about the shoes, and I had an affiliate link, and I was giving them for free, then I had to put it as a paid promotion. Even though they didn't pay any money to make the video, they just sent me some shoes to wear. And they have no control over the content, because that goes into a different sort of section then as well. So unfortunately I had to put paid promotion at the start of the video, which a couple of people noticed, but just to let you know, that's why that was. The content's all about that. If I've been sent them for free, I've got an affiliate link, then it's an advert technically. So had to put that in the video, so that's why you saw that. So yeah, Wiggle. I've got an affiliate link on Wiggle. I've put it on a lot of videos, and then I've got specific videos where like I'll feature stuff like that. Also little things like this. So last month in August, I made, it's a bit lower than normal, it was £8.79. £8.79 off 91 clicks. So I still think there is a slight issue with that, where I think PayPal orders still aren't being collected or picked up on and assigned to my account. So that's just from what people are sort of saying. Oh, I clicked on your link and I ordered this and stuff like that. There's something there that's still broken, which, you know, I'm losing the will to live with trying to get that sorted. Yeah, and that was just one order. So we made £8.79 off one order, which, you know, you might think, oh, that sounds bad. Wait until later when I tell you how much money I make from YouTube adverts. So the next big affiliate link is these Barna glasses. So I've got videos of these on a couple of channels now. I've got a few different designs and styles. I really like the original black ones the best, but I do, as you see from the vlog, if you watch the behind the con vlog, then you'll see I wear lots of these need a clean. You'll see I wear lots of them. So I like wearing them all. I just always go back to these ones. Yeah, I've got a video. It's not doing so well as it was. I think it's about 15,000 views, something like that. I've made another short on the glasses, and I've got the affiliate links elsewhere as well. Last month in August 2021, I made £44 out of selling these glasses. So we had 80 clicks. We sold £340 worth of these glasses. That's a conversion rate of 6.2%. So if I can drive more traffic to that link and keep up that conversion rate, that's really good. So we'll see if we can improve on that and make some more content. I'm going to make some more content on this channel. Yeah, and also we've got Canva. We started doing Canva tutorials. We've had 30 clicks on our Canva affiliate link. No one signed up yet. If they've gotten a free account, I don't get any kickback from that. If they sign up to Pro, then I'll get a percentage of that. It's quite a high percentage to get a free trial. So technically, if I've only just recently started posting videos about using Canva, which is a graphic design tool, link below, maybe the pro account won't click in just yet. So we've got Amazon affiliate links, where we can put links to anything there, and we'll get a small kickback on anything that's ordered. The good thing with those links is that it doesn't matter if they've clicked on that link to buy eye drops or a pair of tweezers. Anything they buy in the next 24 hours will be assigned to your account, and you'll make the money there. Lots of the high-end stuff like electronics, you don't make as much money, but some stuff can be up to like 4 to 6%. I noticed Ali Pig probably ordered, because I can see some of the stuff that gets ordered. Some plop. Conversion of that, you can see it's pretty low. We had 2 items sold out of 283 clicks. Not great. So a couple of pence there, or nothing. So they've got an influencer shopfront where I can just have my own shops, like kit I use. I can start posting content on there and clicking through, linking up the products I've used in the content. I've joined that. They've now allowed TikTokers in. Stay tuned for the TikTok revenue. I'm probably not allowed to share it, but I'll try and tell you how much I'm making. Soon you might see a link to say, here's my shop front, here's all the tech I use. They wouldn't let me in on any other things other than my 30,000 odd followers on TikTok, so fingers crossed. TubeBuddy is one of the tools I use to promote my YouTube channel, but we did make $12.96 in just last month for that. So as well, I've got a link in some of the videos. They go off and I'll make some revenue off that, which is about £9.42 on. The big one, as always, is my amazing, dedicated, crazy probably, Patreons. They're all on the board. They're all fantastic. I need to rewrite this and get this looking a bit better. You know, thank you to everyone here. I look at you every day and I sort of think, oh, I'm tired. I can't. I've been vlogging every day on my vlog channel, maybe 140 vlogs in a row, so without missing one. And every time I come into the office, I think, I can't be bothered with it today. I just can't be bothered. And I look at that and I think, Mark Harris putting his hard-earned money into my channel has helped me along on the journey. There's loads of people here. You know, you're helping me make this kind of content. I can't be doing it without your guys' support, and I try and invest it in the channel. I've just bought this new camera, which is helping me edit less technically, because this autofocus is bloody amazing. So I think it probably saves me 15 to 20 minutes every daily vlog video on editing. And it's last month, excluding fees and transaction fees and everything else, is £135.55p. So thank you very much for the support on there. There's a link below if you want to go and support me. I'm tempted to change the name of it to Scott Hewish, just because it's like you supporting me across multiple channels now, not just Com Hunt TV. So and then the big one, YouTube ad revenue, what everyone goes mad on. How much YouTube ad revenue did I make last month in August 2021? Drum roll. 8,000 views, not a great month for views. 300 hours of watch time. We only gained 18 subs, and that made us £8.15. £8.15 from YouTube ad revenue on the main channel. I'm not monetized on any of the other channels, so when you see a banner come up on the video, if you see a sponsored card come up on the video, if you see a little clip video advert at the start that you skip through or don't skip through, that is the money that's being generated. Also through YouTube Premium. So if you watch on YouTube Premium, that's the generated revenue as well. So the Shorts channel, we had 8 million views last month on the Shorts channel. I won't go into it on this video, but they are doing it slightly different. They're doing it like TikTok. They're going to have a creators fund where they're going to give you a shorts bonus every month if you qualify. I've hit all the eligibility. I don't know what else to do. I missed the first month. Emails come out on the 8th to the 10th of every month, and just because you miss one month doesn't mean you're not going to get it the next month, so we'll see what happens there. But at the end of the day, we're over 4 years of watch time. 4 years of watch time on the Shorts channel. There's Nike, another affiliate. Hi affiliate. Nike have some exciting product launches coming up that we wanted to give you exclusive heads up on. It's a minimum bonus of $100 to $10,000. I'm hoping, I guess I'm probably hoping that it's going to be maybe $200, maybe $200. Obviously subscribe. That might be really exciting to follow along with how much I'm going to get paid from YouTube for making shorts. So yeah, off 8 million views, 4 years of watch time, we're not making anything out of that. We're in the TikTok Creator Fund. They are giving us money every day to make TikTok, unlike YouTube. So what do we say about that? We're not allowed to tell you. I'm not allowed to tell you how much I earn. I can get thrown out of the TikTok Creator Fund. Maybe if I had one video that I announced it and then got chucked out of the Creator Fund, maybe the YouTube revenue would be better than the Creator Fund. I don't know. But at the moment, let's just say, compared to YouTube, how much YouTube's paying me, we're looking at about 5 times the revenue of my YouTube adverts. About 5 times the amount. 5 to 6 times maybe. The amount. It can fluctuate quite a lot depending on the views. That might change next month with the YouTube Shorts bonus, who knows. So the total, without TikTok, the total I've been paid in August 2021 as a small YouTuber is £205.91. That's £205.91. So just under $300. A huge chunk of that comes from the Patreons, and I am very thankful for that, because this video would be pretty low and boring if it wasn't for you guys sort of pushing it up a bit. So if you've got any questions about how to make money, just leave them below. I'll make some videos. I'm going to start making more videos on this channel for you guys. So please subscribe, come along for the journey, and like the video. Make sure you like this video. Bye.